So now I have taken 2 pinch of salt, and total water I have taken is 1 glass water. I am now going to add in the water. So hot water, medium hot water, not too much also. Medium hot water I have taken. So now I'll put in the 2 pinch of salt. Okay, normal salt. Okay, it's a salt I've added. Now I'm mixing in the hot water. Now I'm preparing, this water is ready. Okay. Next, I am going to clean my jalniti pot. See, we have to clean very cleanly with hot water, normal hot water, not too much also. Clean with your this jalniti pot. This has to be done weekly once. Based on the, we are telling students you have to practice. Some student we tell 2 days a week and 3 days a week, weekly once. They have to clean it and practice. See, now this they have to do it weekly once. So now we are doing. So this it's cleaned, now ready. Pot is ready, jalniti pot, towel is ready, hot water, saline or hot water means we have put 2 pinch of salt, and water is ready. So now bucket is ready. So which will be, the water should not go out, in the bucket only we have to clear the jalniti. So now hot water, cleaned water is ready. So you should always use filter water and put 2 pinch of salt. So now bucket is ready also to do um, jalniti. So in the bucket only, why we have to do, because water should not go out of the anywhere. So it is clear in the bucket only. It is easy to practice jalniti. Now I am taking water full 1 glass. See, now I am showing demo here again once more. So the tip off should go to the right or left, any side you can do. Start with the right side. I'm just keeping the step number 1. After step number 2, should bend it to other side. Okay, water should fall that side, and open your mouth and breathe like that. So step number 1, keeping in the right nostril and lifting it, the water will fall down, and breathe through mouth, because nostril is not able to breathe, no, so we have to use this time to breathe through mouth and cleaning the your respiratory system. Okay, next, other side also same thing. Again the tip of the nostril have to keep in the left nostril and lift it in the other direction, because water should fall to other side. Then only all the dust particle will clean, respiratory system will clean, and you feel more relaxed. The breath, lungs will be expanded. So this is the very systematically you have to practice. Okay, this is a demonstration. No water is there, but I will show you practical. Now I am showing the demo where you have to breathe, sir. When I am keeping the water through nostril, which side I have to, because one side is pouring, one side water should come. So where you have to breathe through, only mouth only. You have to breathe. When you keep it, immediately start breathing through mouth. See, now I am doing here. I am putting in the left side of the water. Next step is doing practical. See, I am putting water. Water will come to other side. Water will come to other side forcefully. See, it's water is coming. Now again I am showing. See, water will come continuously flow in other nostril. So it will come no forcefully. It will be keep on coming water. You just see water is coming. See, I am putting in the left side. Right side is coming forcefully water. So much water is coming to one side. One side you pour it. Other side will come continuously flow. Like this, the jalniti has to be done. You can do maybe 2 glasses, 3 glasses till completing. Don't give up. Okay, you can keep on practicing. Next, I am going to do Nadi Shuddhi. See, Nadi Shuddhi, inhale through left. After finishing, you sit and do Nadi Shuddhi. Inhale left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left, inhale left, exhale right, inhale 4 seconds, exhale 8 seconds. When you inhale, fill your stomach. Exhale will be always 8 count. This has to be done. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again exhaling, I am using 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again inhale, same say, inhale always 4, exhale will be 8. The ratio should be very important to remember the practicing for this asthma, breathing issues. Everybody can practice it. And short breath, breathing, not able to breathe. So in the night time I get very struck in the breathings. This all people they can practice. Okay, so now inhale, exhale, like this. Now we are going to do Ujjayi Pranayama. Inhale through throat, exhale through right nostril. Inhale through throat, inhale throat, inhale throat, you can do 10 rounds. Next we are going to do Brahmari. Inhale through right nostril. Inhale right nostril. Inhale right nostril. You can do 5 to 6 rounds. Inhale through right. Again chanting also right. Next Bhastrika. Inhale both hands up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale both nostril up. Exhale both nostril down. Inhale both nostril up. Exhale both nostril down. Inhale both nostril up. Exhale both nostril down. Inhale both nostril up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Next Brahmari. Stop. Brahmari, you have to keep all the finger below the lip, above the lip, middle of the eyebrow, one this above the head, migraine point. Close your ears. See, sometime you are not able to close. No, you should close ears. Ears is compulsory closing. Okay. Inhale. Chanting. Honeybean sound. Always close your both ears, otherwise it will not get proper breathing. Inhale. Like this you have to practice. More detail you can